This video is about how to get this window to output your Java code without, this is not online. This is not using a servlet, and it's not running on any server, although you could put it on a server and run it that way, but it's just, I'm accessing it just regular without it being online. But to do that, just you place the HTML file. You could have the CSS in HTML, but I just put the CSS in a different file, so you at least need an HTML file. And as you could see, they're here. So that is, you create a file writer object and you pass the location into it, pass the location of the HTML file, and then you pass that object, the file writer object, you pass it into a buffered writer object, and then the buffered writer object, you use the .write method to make the, whatever this is, toString, and this is, SB is a string builder object that you're passing into the program method. That's the first argument. And the SB object is a string builder object. And you use that string builder object, you use the .append method to append the HTML. And fonts is this. And this is how you get this vicious looking font. And if you want to use a different font, all you got to do is change this part of the string. And you can Google fonts, and there's a whole bunch of them, and all you got to do is change the string to the one that you like. And in this, yeah, that's basically how it's done. So in this case, if you want to stick around for some extra cool things, I'll explain the second argument here. And that's just a string. And you put that string in a switch statement, and then the switch statement, if it's 1, it does this. If it's 2, it does this. If it's 3, it does this. So if we change this to, right now it's 1, that's why it's printing all of this. But if you do 2 and then refresh, it prints Java, because case 2, it appends Java to the thing, because as you can see here, the body opening tag is appended, and then it does all this, and then the body tag is closed, and then the HTML tag is closed.